Apple iPhone 8 back camera lens rear lens glass replacement repair. To start with, just heat up a bit the glass either with the heat gun or on a heat pad, and then start removing it carefully. Once the glass removed, make sure you clean up the surrounding area very well. Don't left any particle or any glass pieces or anything, otherwise it will damage the new lens as well. Once it's all completely done with the cleaning and everything, then just apply either the double-sided adhesive tape which you receive with the camera lens, or you can use the glue B7000 or super glue carefully, but try not to spread it through the camera itself, otherwise it will damage the camera. That's why I'm using here just the adhesive tape, double-sided tape, which I've received with the camera lens already from a supplier. Once the adhesive installed, now you can apply the rear camera lens as well on it.